How to invite someone to collaborate on your project in PhotoRoom. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and want to invite someone to collaborate with you on your project, firstly open up the PhotoRoom application and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and select Open Your Workspace or Team section. Simply tap on the content button at the bottom right corner, and once you get to this page, click on Space from the top. Now this will open up your current space. Tap on Invite Members. Once you do that, click on Invite with Link and select your contact you want to invite. You can choose any other appropriate messaging applications or platforms and choose the friend you want to invite. You can also go ahead and enter their emails in the respective text boxes. Finally, click on Send Invitations at the bottom to send in the invitation to the person to join into your workspace. Once they accept the invitation, they'll be added to your team. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.